How to fix Fortnite lagging issues. Firstly, make sure that you have good internet speed. Fortnite needs at least 3 Mbps upload, download, and 10 to 20 Mbps is smoother. If you are still having connection issues, then you can use wired connections. If you are running many apps at the same time, then try closing background apps. Stop downloads, streaming, or other apps using bandwidth. You can also try to troubleshoot your device. For that, you will need to go to your settings, click on the Windows icon and go to settings. Inside settings on the left panel, click on system and on the right section, scroll down and select troubleshooting. Now inside, click on other troubleshooters. Inside other troubleshooters, you will see network and internet. Click on run to run troubleshoot. You can also run troubleshoot for Windows Update. After doing this, your network and Windows Update will run and update itself. Now also try to give your device a quick restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix lagging issues. Inside Fortnite also, go to settings and set the video graphics quality to low or medium. Also make sure to check your system requirements. Make sure that your PC meets Fortnite's minimum specs. That's all for today. Thank you.